Husky toolbox, upper and lower, full bearings all the way down. And this is Mac click type torque wrench. Over there. General crap up top. Bicycle tool set. Specialty tools. Some more bike stuff. Some cutters, nippers, specialty tool. Screwdrivers, various kinds. We got some Mac, we got some Snap-on, we got a little bit of everything in here. Craftsman. Wrenches, once again, mostly Craftsman wrenches. Drive tools, a lot of Craftsman, a couple Mac, Mac extension set. Breaker bars in here, a couple other drive tools. Sockets, got a little bit of everything in here. Metric, standard, full sets. Allen wrenches, drill bits. Brake and line tools. Pliers, cutters, grips, specialty hose wrench or hose pliers, pullers, snap ring pliers, hammers, bolt cutters, files, spanner wrenches, pry bars, hammers, those actually aren't supposed to be in there. IR 244 impact, Blue Point 1/4" drive, Ingersoll Rand 3/8 drive, cheap die grinder, Snap-on 3/8 impact, bar tool for serpentine belts, some various specialty things, little torque wrench, some carburetor tuning tools, some electrical stuff, timing light, electrical tools, Snap-on high amp, amp gauge, more specialty tools, some calipers, some depth gauges, Blue Point universal rear caliper kit, Mac easy outs, pullers, hones, smart hones in there, ridge reamer, different pullers and some gloves, a little battery charger, some more organizational stuff, Craftsman fender things, auto tap with the license key, and a Craftsman double flaring kit. So that's just about everything, I believe. There's a couple other pry bars I think I have laying around. That, usually just put that in there. Oh, and the long snap-on screwdriver. Ratchet screwdriver. So that's what we have. Thanks for looking.